The biggest rodent in the world is not your average animal. Not only is it huge, like the size of a small car, but it's also semi-aquatic, living both on land and in water. It's also a surprisingly good swimmer despite its size. And it has some unique adaptations that allow it to thrive in its native South American habitat. These are some truly amazing facts about the capybara. Let's get into it. The capybara is the largest living rodent in the world. The species name, Hydrobatistes, means water lover. And this is very appropriate as the capybaras spend a lot of their time in water. In fact, they are one of the few rodents that are fully adapted for a semi-aquatic lifestyle. The capybara is found in South America in countries such as Brazil, Colombia, Bolivia, Venezuela, Guyana, and Suriname. They typically inhabit large rivers and their many tributaries as well as swamps and marshes. These creatures can grow up to 4 feet long and weigh over 100 pounds. That's about the size of a small car. The capybara has a distinctive barrel-like body with short, coarse fur. Its fur is mostly brown or grayish-brown, but can also be reddish or yellowish. The animal's tail is scaly and hairless, and its eyes, ears, and nose are small. This body shape is not just for show. It's actually perfectly adapted for life in water. The shape helps the animal to steer while swimming and also reduces drag. If you've ever seen a capybara in person, you may have noticed that it has webbed feet. This adaptation allows the animal to swim faster and more efficiently in the water. And the webbed feet also help the capybara to paddle and steer itself through the water with ease. The capybara is a herbivore, and its diet consists mainly of aquatic plants. It uses its sharp incisors and molars to slice through the tough stems and leaves of plants with ease. And the animal is also known to consume fruits, seeds, and tree bark. Now, did you know that the capybara is a social animal? They typically live in groups of up to 10 to 20 individuals, although groups of up to 100 animals have been reported. The members of a group are usually related to each other, and there is a clear hierarchy within the group. The dominant male is the only one that can breed with the females in the group. The capybaras are active mostly during the day, and they spend their time looking for food, socializing, and swimming. These animals are excellent swimmers, and they can stay underwater for up to 5 minutes at a time. When they swim, they use their webbed feet to paddle themselves through the water and their tails to steer themselves. So there you have it, some truly amazing facts about the capybara. This unique animal is not just a giant rodent, but also a highly adapted swimmer and herbivore. It's no wonder that the capybara is one of the most popular attractions in its native South America. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.